do it. I'm gonna put it back together now. So this thing over here, I put it's called Never See. So what I do, I put just a little bit. The gas furnace. I just heard the damper open. The gas furnace is gonna go on. Or the igniter. See, I put this over here, so next time, easy to take it out, you know, make it when you want to take it out next time, it's easy, it's not that hard. Because tank contracts, when it heat up, when it get cold, contract again, so. My nice 16 wrench. So I guess I'm gonna have to this open wrench because I don't have the nice 16. Sack is outside in the truck, and I'm gonna go there and get it. It's a gas furnace. Same boiler, bro. Gas. Nice. Okay. All right, so now I'm going to put the string now. Gasket first. Put the string over here. So careful, you don't want to kick that line. Feels like it's already kicked, but I don't know. I see it like it's already kicked. Okay, I don't know what to do with that now. This guy really spent some money on this thing, man. got a steam boiler over there. Gas steam boiler. Okay. They're really spending some money over here right now. I should have let it run. I should let it run the oil. It's not a big deal. I just bridge it out. So, not a big deal. Over here in the back. Gotta vacuum this thing over here. This hole. One on the other side, one this one. Put the scope back on.